Hi guys, Mr. Kennedy here, and today we're going to talk about forming an inequality. So what are we really doing? Well, if we're given some words, can we write the mathematical expression that's required for the inequality? So, it's just like directions. So just like the opposite way when we were uh, trying to write down from our inequality expression, we were trying to write in words, we just followed kind of whatever came first, let's write it. Exact same thing going in reverse. So we're just going, before we kind of added in an is to make it grammatically correct. So we're just going to get rid of that for every single one, right? And this is just telling us we want to write. So write x is greater than 7. And that last little part, we don't actually really need, because we know that if it's less than or equal, we have to have an inequality. So I'm just going to get rid of some of the stuff on our page just because I made it a little bit messy. I just don't want to distract you. So really, this is all we need is x. X is greater than 7. How do we write that? X, well, the greater than symbol is that way, and 7. Okay. So, similarly, next one, x, then it's less than, so it faces that way, and -3. Example 3, x is less than or equal, so we have x, and we have less than, but it also says equal, so we have to include the line underneath that tells us so, and 5. Example 4, once again, x, and we have greater than, okay, then what it says, or equal, okay, put the line, and then 2, and then -3. Example 5, well, here x is less than, okay, so x, whoops, sorry about that. So, try this again. So here x is less than or equal to 6. Oh, but it's greater than 2. So greater than 2. So that's greater than that way. And then 2. Okay, so moving on. Here are 6 questions for you to give a try. As always, pause the video at this time. When you're ready to go, press play, and I'll go through the answers. Okay, so let's start going through these. So here, x is less than 3. Here, x, the greater than symbol, -1. Here, x less than, oh, but it's or could be equal, and that's 0. Here we have x, and it's greater than 3. And then here we have x is greater than, and then, oh, or equal to -7. Lastly, one of these kind of more complex ones, we have x is less than 3. So x is less than 3, but it's greater than, right? So make sure it's pointing away from the x, greater than or equal to -1.